Okay. I'm going to do the vectors one now.
Okay.
Are you going to do vectors in the exam?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want you just to write these two vectors down. Well, okay, no, I'll open it up again. I'll do it.
Can you make it more like?
Yeah. Huh? Can I make it what?
Like, you know.
What?
Better.
Better? Sharper?
Yeah.
Whoop.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That's Mohammed's cigarettes.
Is it finished or?
I think he took them out. Yeah, sorry, man. Oh, man. Fail. All right. Let me just write these two vectors down. So the first, this is 4, I think.
Is that S?
Yeah, so you have the first vector is minus 9 plus, now to make my S a little bit clearer, maybe I'll make it extra.
Why do you plus?
I'm just writing this here, minus 7 plus, 5S, what am I doing? Plus 5S plus 5S and minus 2.
0 minus 2S.
Yeah. Now you have another line, which is here, and that is 2 plus t, 5 plus 2t, minus 7 minus 3t. Now you want to know where they meet in the first one, so what do I do, Jeff?
Where they meet?
Yeah.
You have to get the.
Make them equal.
Yeah.
Is that what you're going to say?
Yeah.
So you get these equations. So the first equation would be 5s minus t.
Okay,
3 equations, yeah. 5s minus t equals 11.
5s minus t.
Yeah, I just made these equal on the top and then took the t. What? Yes, I know, I realised what I did. Sorry, minus t. And then the next one is 5s minus 2t equal to 12. And then the last one is minus 2s plus 3t equal to minus 7. Now you notice, Jeff, that the quick way to solve this, now there's many ways to solve it, but you notice actually if you add these together, all the t's will cancel.
Yeah, negative 3 plus 3, yeah.
So you can get this result,
So
8t.
8t, 8s.
I'm sorry, I'm tired. 8s and 16.
S
So
equals to 2.
S equals to 2, and then you get t. Yeah, t I think would be minus 1. So S is 2 and t is minus 1. So if I substitute that in, this would here become 1, 3, minus 4. And then if you substitute it in here, you should get the same thing.
Negative 1. So that's how we show the intersecting.
Yeah. Okay, not too
5 marks,
not too bad for 5 marks. Yeah.
No, vectors is always like this kind of style, right?
Yeah. Well, usually like this, yeah. So he says now that this point here is on the line L1. Find B.
6, 8.
Yeah.
Where's L1?
L1 is this one. So Can you just call out what L1 is, please? It's
Negative 9.
Yeah.
Negative 7, 0.
-9,
Minus 7.
7, huh? -9 plus 5s.
Oh, the whole thing.
Yeah.
We can't use 1, 3, 4.
No, that's just where they meet.
Okay.
What's next?
Negative 7 plus 5s.
Yep.
Minus 2s.
And that should equal 6, 8, and B. So, 6 plus 5, I think that means S must equal 3.
So we know, but we have to come up with 3 equations again.
No. You just need to find the S to make this true. So look here, Jeff. If I put S as 3, what will this become?
15 minus 9 is 6.
And if I put S as 3 here?
25 minus 7. No, 15 minus 7. 8, yeah.
So therefore, the B must be -6.
So just have to estimate.
We can solve it in your head, really. Nearly.
What if you come?
Well, then you have to work it out. You just say this equals 6. Okay.
And so the line is,
So, no, he just says that this point is on this line, find B.
meaning that the ratio is the same, like the ratio.
No, that they're identical. That this equals this equals this equals this. He calls this C. Now he says that point, sorry, no, he calls that, I guess, B, is it?
B, yeah.
Ah, wait a minute. Yeah, calls it B. So he says now that C is on L2. So that means C looks like this. Can you tell me what L second line was?
Second line was 6, 8, negative 6.
No, the equation.
Oh, okay. 2 plus T.
2 plus T.
5 plus 2T.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 7 plus 3T.
Now, he says this is C, and he says it's perpendicular to B. So that means the dot product should be 0.
Right, if this multiplied by that, it will be 0.
Yeah. He says that C is perpendicular to B, so what does that mean? The dot product is 0.
So find T.
Yeah, so find T. So let's do this. So this will be 12 plus 6T plus 4. 12 plus 6T plus 40 plus 16T. I'm multiplying these together. 6 times that.
Okay, plus 40, okay.
Yeah.
Plus 42 minus 18. We'll find 0.
40. Yeah, so T is minus 94 over 4. Minus 47 over 2. Yeah.
Should be a nice number, right?
Not necessarily. Minus 23.5. Now, did I multiply them correctly? You don't think so? 12 plus 6T plus 40 plus 16T minus 42. Come on. Hey, why are you so late? Why are you so late, though? Have you ever been on time for this class?
Yes, I did. Before you in 10 minutes.
I will remember this so I never forget it. Sit down. I'm doing the vector question now in section B. Sit down. Yeah, no, I think that's it. Minus 23.5. So can you just put that into this here to get the C for me? So yeah, 2 minus 23.5 minus 21.5. And then the next one is,
minus 42.
yeah, and then the last one,
Minus 155 over 2.
minus,
77.5.
okay. So that's my C, and then what did I say B was? 6, 8 minus 6. And then C is or A is where they intersect at the start, which is 1, 3 minus 4. Joseph, why are you so late?
Minus Dr. Lorraine was in the mood for riddles. So,
What?
Dr. Lorraine was in the mood for riddles.
What are you talking about, man?
I asked her when is the bioessay. She was like, I don't know. When is it?
Just sit
So
down.
that's it? I think it's today.
No, Sylvia said it's tomorrow.
Today.
She said tomorrow.
But Sylvia said tomorrow, but we can submit today.
She said
Because
tomorrow.
I just
she
read.
said it. I just asked her.
Sit down, Joseph.
Yeah.
So lastly now, they want the angle BAC.
Cos theta,
So wait, first you have to find AB
B minus
and AC. So let's do AB first. Or Jeff, maybe you can type it in the calculator. So AB
B minus A would be
is
5.
B minus A, so that would be
5,
5.
10.
No, I don't think so. I think it'd be negative 2. Minus 6 minus 4. And then AC is C minus A, so that's minus 22.5, minus 45, minus 83.5. So then theta equals cos inverse the dot product over the magnitudes. So it's,
Down is the square root of.
yeah. Jeff, 5 times that is 110? Jeff!
No,
No, here, 5 times 22.5.
Negative 112.5.
Thank you. And next?
Negative. Next is negative 225.
And finally?
Positive 167.
7 square root, because the magnitude of this is 7, isn't it? No. 50, no, what am I talking
What
about?
are we doing like?
54. Square root 54. And then what's the other one?
506.25 plus 2025 plus 6972.24.
So the square, what's the total in the square root? Take out some paper, Joseph.
So, Stephen, can I go check with the column? I have to make sure I won't be concentrated.
Just submit to me.
Just go. Paper, man. Take out paper. I'm not doing this for my fun.
No, not that. I want to like that.
I still want you to write it down. Maybe you'll change your mind. I want you to write it
I didn't
down.
understand anything in vector.
I want you to write down what I'm doing.
9503.48.
What is inside the bracket? 95.
03.48. And then the top is
Wait, is that the? Wait, Jeff. What's this number here?
what?
What? No, look. What's this number here?
9503.
Yeah, but what's is it? Did I? Are you sure?
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Okay. Fine. All right. So you can give me the theta now.
The top
Okay,
is
machine visible by the.
We're going to start a new question now in a moment. So maybe
Yeah, and then it was over.
we're waiting for Jeff to calculate the angle for me. let's say possibly correct.
104.
Right, let's see, statistics,
Yes.
yes,
This is question what?
6 statistics,
I mean the vector 4.
4. Okay. Please write down, the thing you need is,
X.
oh well I have to write this down, hang on, let me try and fit it in. Okay, so here you have 0 to 10, and it's 8, and here you have 10 to 15,
15.
and it's 15, and then next one is
15 to 20.
15 to 20,
23.
23.
It's cumulative.
Well, we'll do that in a moment, I'm just writing the data down first. And then we have here 20 to 25, and it's 30,
25 to 30.
25 to 30, and it's 25, 30 to 40, and it's 14, and 40 to 60, and it is 5. Question 1, what is the mean? 2, standard deviation. 3, cumulative frequency. And 4, median. Right, so for the mean, you need to know what the midpoints are.
Yeah.
So it is 5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 35, 50. This is called my x, and this is called my f, and the formula for the mean,
The midpoint is X.
or whatever that, I don't care.
X.
Sum of fx over sum of f, which equals, now give me that calculator, Jeff, please. Thank you. No, give me,
We need to
each.
find Fx first.
Yeah, I'm just going to type, well, you, in the exam, make sure you show your work, but I'm not too tired to write it. Yes, okay, right, cool, okay, 5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 35, 60, 60,
X
8,
bar is median.
15, 23, 30, 25, 14, 5. Okay,
Why don't you just look at the answer?
I'm getting it here, man. So the average is 23.
That's for
23.19. Now the next one they want is the standard deviation using this formula. Sigma squared equals
square.
sum of fx squared minus average squared. Okay. So that was part 1. So that's part 2 now. So part 3. Oh, sorry, and then calculating that.
Sum of Fx squared is you add everything together first and then square all.
Sum of fx squared is square the x first, then multiply and add.
Oh, okay. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm 100% sure, man.
Can you show?
Yes, I got. So that is 119.26. So sigma is 10.92. So Jeff, what you would do here is you take the 5 and square it, is 25, and times the frequency is 25 times 8,
Plus the same thing.
and then do it all the way down, and then divide by the total frequency. You got it?
Divide by total frequency.
Yeah. It is too much to do, but it's no reason you can't get full marks.
Yeah.
Easy.
3, he wants the cumulative frequency curve. So what goes on the x-axis?
Cumulative.
No, these upper limits. And then what goes on the y-axis? The cumulative frequency, which I don't have yet, so let me write that here. 8, 8 plus 15, 23, and then 23 plus 23, plus 30, 86, plus 25,
76.
thank you, 76, plus 25, 101, 115, and then 120. So on this axis you have those numbers going up until 120, no, up until 60, and then on this axis you have the numbers going up until
120.
120, cumulative frequency and upper limit, and then you draw your curve, and that's part 3. Of course you'll do it properly on graph paper.
Yes.
And then find the median. What do you do, Jeff?
Yeah, very easy.
You tell me. You ain't even too tired to tell me how to do it.
It's a big point there.
Divide this by 2.
Once again, then go down.
And go around.
That's the median.
That's the median there.
And then you take what averages.
I don't even think they asked for that though. No, just the median.
Okay, find it first.
What?
Then we take all 50 documents.
No, but this is just baby stuff, like drawing the graph.
Yeah.
I don't want to draw a graph.
Which paper is it?
This is the year prior, the 2009 to 2010 program.
What's the proper name of the paper?
V10910.
It's in the top guide that you gave us, right?
So